学长可以雕这个花吗？
You can. Be careful though. Don't hurt yourself.
这样好看吗？
You look great. You look good. Try a round of applause.
好看吗？接下来这首歌《Millions of Years Apart》。